talk about having roots in the past, this olive tree is over 4,000 years old, a living, breathing link to ancient Greece. And it's not just the trees that have roots in the past. People like Maria, a fifth-generation olive farmer, still tend to these ancient beings with the same care their ancestors did. What does this kind of tree mean to the people of Greece? It's not just a tree to you.
No, it's not just a tree. It symbolizes our history, our long relationship with olive oil. It reminds us our obligation to give it even better to the next generation. Our tradition is here in Crete. When a baby is born, we plant the tree. While the child will grow up, the olive tree will provide his food.
Wait, so do you have your own tree?
Yes, I have
one.
one. So now it's very emotional to see the tree and to know that it has the same age with you.
I really love the idea that even after you die, even after everybody who knows you has died, your tree will still be there.
Yes.
It's really beautiful.
It gives you hope.
I've agreed to help out with one of the busiest periods for olive farmers like Maria, pruning season. You know, this is how my hair goes if I brush it. Olive trees outnumber people 50-1 on Crete. They blanket the islands all the way from the coastline to the highest peaks. Maria has over 2,500 trees in her care, so yes, help is welcome. I'm hoping to learn a few tricks of the trade from her father Yorgos and grandfather Michalis. Have you been doing this for many years then, with these trees? Really? And then you taught, did he teach you as well? So you're the master?
Φαντάσου σαν ομπρέλα.
We want an umbrella around the trees in order to be protected from the sun. The main pruning must be done from upstairs.
Okay.
In order to watch what you cut.
I mean, I noticed there's not a ladder down the bottom.
Δεν χρειάζεται σκάλα.
Okay, just climbing.
You will be, a real Cretan farmer.
Let's do it. I mean, yeah. I'm told the tree Maria's grandfather has chosen for me is an easy climber. But let's just say I spent more of my youth reading books than up trees. This olive tree is just a baby.
Okay, I'm in.
Less than 1,000 years old and produces between 3 and 5 litres of olive oil every year.
Thank you. Got it.
You can see the umbrella shape much better up here. This one?
Yes. Yeah. The one that looks up.
Oops.
Don't worry.
But then hold on, do you not get more olives if you keep up more branches?
No, because you will not have enough air and enough sun in order for the branches to flower.
Oh, I see. So there's a balance, right?
The balance is the secret.
You got it?
Yes, it needs strength. Did you have a good breakfast?
Oh,
well done.
I can see the sky. There are very few moments where you get to feel as though you are doing something that has been the same way for thousands of years.
You do the same thing and it keeps you provided with food.
You love the tree,
yes,
and then it loves you back.
Yes.
And this tree's been loved for a millennium.
Exactly.
There was a ladder this whole time.
Yeah. We wanted to live the authentic experience.
I'm pretty sure they had ladders 1,000 years ago. Unbelievable. Can I give you this? This deep-rooted tradition has made Greece one of the world's top olive oil producers.